Last week we had rockets going on here and sirens, and it was very loud and very scary. So all the Asian females in the yard circled the calf, put him in the middle, and actually guard him. They do this behavior also in the wild, in the nature. Whenever they feel like a threat or something going on, immediately they put the youngers in the middle and they circle them, and they even looking to all the sides to make sure that there is no danger coming towards the calves. They also do this behavior when a female is giving birth. They circle her, they give her like a circle of safety so she can give birth quietly and peacefully. And this is a natural behavior. What you see here, you will see it also in the nature.